So why does 20% of your leather end up in the trash? That is why ERP matters. Not because software picks up the leather itself, but because software helps you control the system around the leather. Hi, my name is Hussain Nayani. I am the co-founder and technology consultant at Impliway, an ERP implementation company. Let us cover some common mistakes. First mistake, checking quality only at the end. At that point, the damage is already expensive. Second mistake, choosing vendor only on price. Lower price leather can become bigger cost output if yield is poor. Third mistake, not tracking standard consumption at the end of a production order. If you do not know your real versus expected output, you cannot know whether your cutting or usage is healthy. Fourth mistake, no lot level traceability. Then every issue becomes a blame game. Fifth mistake, ignoring rework data. Repair is not always recovery. Sometimes repaired product lose value, lose appearance, or fail customer expectations later. Leather quality sources stress the importance of catching issues early because later correction often increases cost and can still end in rejection. Sixth mistake, producing new material while stock already exists. That is not efficiency. That is hidden waste. Seventh mistake, depending only on manpower memory. People forget, ERP remembers. So why does 20% of your leather end up in the trash? Sometimes because of bad leather, sometimes because of bad cutting, sometimes because of weak QA, and sometimes because of rework, and sometimes because of poor planning, and mainly and many times because nobody can see the full picture. That is why ERP matters. Not because software picks up the leather itself, but because software helps you control the system around the leather. And when you control the system, you reduce waste, you improve yield, choose better vendors, catch defects earlier, and protect your profit. If you are in leather goods, gloves, garments, bags, footwears, or finished leather manufacturing, this is the real opportunity. Turn waste into visibility and visibility into profit. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe to Impliway.